I still remember the first day I was here like it was yesterday. This is the room I was staying in, and around 6 a.m. in the morning on 15th December 2016, I heard everybody going, "Hey, why?" And I'm like, what's really happening? And I come out of my balcony and I see all these boys and girls surf, and there were dolphins far away. I had actually come here to just take a break from work, and I didn't know surfing even existed. I didn't even know what surfing was entirely. I still don't actually. And I said, okay, let me take the first lesson. And it was not as busy as it is now. So we went to River Mouth for the first lesson. And I remember the first time I caught a wave, it felt like I was flying, cruising like an eagle. It was the best feeling ever, and I got addicted to that feeling. My affinity towards beach started much earlier. When I was 5 years old, my father is not the type to surprise me with gifts and all. He's never done any of that ever. And in fact, we used to walk from my house to the beach. I think there was a family function, and my father could sense that I was bored as hell. So he decided to pick me up, and we went to the beach. And he gave me the Milton cooling water bottle and took pictures of me. And I still have those pictures on the boat. I feel like I was a model and I was sitting like this. It was so cute. And every summer we used to come to Chennai. I used to pester my family to take me to the beach every Sunday. So Sunday means beach day. So a few Sundays when they're not able to take me, they'll say, "Iniki beach leave, iniki beach pootitanga." I'm sure all of you also heard that. And I used to get so sad if I wasn't able to go to the beach. It's so strange how beautiful, wild and free the ocean is, but also deep and scary and mysterious. There's no guarantee that you'll ever come back when you go inside. But I think that's the beauty of it, to just trust and take that leap of faith and face the fear. It makes me feel so alive. Every time I come back to the shore and take a deep breath, I feel so whole and so grateful for being able to do that. And I'm not a pro surfer or anything. I'm not even close to any of these people. But what really drew me to this community is the fact that they were hit by tsunamis so badly, but they endured all of that and they got out of it, and they made sure not just they came up, but they brought everybody along with them up as well. And I think that sort of this community driven feeling was so inspiring and attractive to me. And that's when we found a few kids that needed a little bit of a helping hand. And Kuti, me and Shekhar together raised some funds to send these kids to school. And it was truly the best feeling ever. And Ganesh always used to ask me, "Mullu chedile eppadipa maanga valarum?" And it made so much sense. Mullu chedile eppadipa maanga valarum? Feels like home. And I don't think any feeling can come close to how you feel in the middle of the ocean. It's extremely scary, but also extremely liberating. My father actually doesn't know how to swim, but he kayaked for the first time at 62. So if you're wondering if age is a criteria, maybe, but you would always want to find out what's on the other side of the fear. You should try, at least once. Salt water is the only solution for everything in my life. Tears, sweat, and the ocean. It makes you want to keep moving forward in life. At least for me, it does.